Uh-oh. Yeah. Already decent out here.
It's telling you which one to hit.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, let's see what he's doing. Oh.
I might have, when we went, I didn't have these.
That was it right there. Hey, it didn't count though. The line. No, it's still my for the rules, baby. Find the line next time. You know what I'm saying? How old are you, Savion? 4. What are you doing? We got some competition right now. Diamond need one more. Somebody gave the ball, son. I would like to say that if I don't get a strike, this boys. Nah, you
Rock City Kid.
You ain't recognize the situation.
Oh, so you legal to get a strike now is what you're saying. He ain't gonna get this spare though. That ain't gonna happen. I'm gonna just encourage you until you start beating me too. Yeah, there you go, pick the right one. Yeah, that one matched the outfit and the makeup.
And I took care of summer kids.
Even you're beating Diamond now. Can't nobody beat you in makeup? Why don't you make up the rest of those points? Why don't you make up the rest of those points, Diamond? I'm proud of my son. You proud of your son? Oh, yeah.